back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make fudge filled wafers. The wafers I buy at my local supermarket in like the international section. My Stop and Shop carries it. You can always get it online on Amazon, or you can go to like a Polish market and they'll have it there, and I'll show you in the video what it looks like. And we're gonna just put some fudge in between the layers, and it's gonna be so delicious and easy. It's like eating like a chocolate bar. It's so good. So I can't wait for you guys to try it. If you like the video or the recipe, if you like the recipe, make sure you give us a big thumbs up to let us know. Comment down below, let us know what you think. And if you have not yet subscribed, you need to do that right now. And yeah, enjoy. Bye.